Hello, my name is Arlen. I'm the president and CTO of Cirrus Solutions. I'm also the co-inventor of MQTT. MQTT has become one of the dominant Industrial Internet of Things protocols. The Industrial Internet of Things is the decoupling of devices from applications. So in the Industrial Internet of Things, we're looking at technologies to connect things to infrastructure instead of things to applications. From an operational standpoint, we always just worried about the data that it took to control the process in a safe and timely manner. But with the Industrial Internet of Things, now line of business and other serendipitous applications can get access to all of the device data that we're leaving stranded in the field today. The advantage of using Industrial Internet of Things technologies to get data from devices means that we're no longer having to go through poll response protocols to access our data. IIoT will affect manufacturing from the standpoint that we'll be able to see much more or have much more visibility on our entire manufacturing process. The data will be readily available to multiple data consumers and multiple data producers. So I can think that it can only take advantage of the intelligence that we already have, but we don't have access to. The largest opportunity for the Internet of Things protocols is in existing legacy infrastructures. There's already hundreds of millions of intelligent devices that we're not gaining near enough information from. So really the adoption has just begun on how fast we can deploy IIoT protocols, but it's starting to take off at an exponential pace. The Industrial Internet of Things will help people as services become better, broadly available. So people are going to start realizing that they'll get better services, faster, and more quality products delivered. Once we have devices that can connect to infrastructure like MQTT and provide all of the wealth of data that we have, we're going to see an explosion of applications. The IIoT technology will open up a wealth of other applications that we haven't even thought of yet.